Example of complementary angles. Shown below is the picture of Incheon Bridge, New Songdo City, South Korea, designed using cables. There is a vertical pole QT on the road segment US such that the angles between the cable and the poles are equal. Which are the angles marked in green? So these angles are equal. These are the angles between the pole and the cables. Some of the angles which are marked in white made by the very same cables with respect road is 80 degrees. So sum of the angles marked in white is 80 degrees. The measure of the angle PQU, that means this angle, between the cable and the road is how many degrees? So here in this question, we have to find the measure of this angle. Let's look at the approaches of solving this question. Can we say that these two angles are equal and their sum is 80 degrees, so each angle is 40 degrees? Here, just getting the answer as 40 degrees is not enough. We should know the correct method of arriving at the answer. Let's explore the data we have here. QT is perpendicular to US, this we know. This means angle TQU, that means this angle, and angle PQU, that means this angle, are complementary as their sum is 90 degrees. Also, we know that angle TQP, that means this angle, is equal to angle RQT, that means this angle. So these two angles are equal. Can we find the measure of angle PQT? But how? If we can find the measure of this angle PQR, then easily we can find the measure of angle PQT. As these two parts are equal, so angle PQT will be half of angle PQR. Now the question is, how do we find angle PQR? Can we think of a way? What about the sum of angles PQU, angle PQR, and angle RQS? We know that this sum will be 180 degrees, and we also know that sum of angle PQU plus RQS is 80 degrees. Using this relation very easily, we can find the measure of angle PQR, and then half of it will be angle PQT, and once we know angle PQT, we can easily find the measure of angle PQU, which is the required measure we have to find in this example. From the figure, it is clear that angle PQU plus angle PQR plus angle RQS is equal to 180 degrees, but it is given that angle PQU plus angle RQS is equal to 80 degrees. So this implies, putting here the values in this equation, in place of PQU plus RQS, we can write 80 degrees. So 80 degrees plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. This implies angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. So this implies angle PQR is equal to 100 degrees. Also, we know from the figure that angle PQR is equal to angle PQT plus angle TQR, and these two angles are equal. So this implies angle PQR is equal to twice angle PQT. Reason is because angle PQT is equal to angle TQR. So this implies that angle PQT is equal to angle PQR by 2. That is equal to angle PQR we have found out as 100 degrees. So 100 degrees by 2 is equal to 50 degrees. So this angle we have calculated as 50 degrees. Also from the figure, angle PQT plus angle PQU, which we have to find out here, is equal to 90 degrees as QT is perpendicular to US. So this implies if we put the values here, in place of angle PQT, we can write 50 degrees plus angle PQU is equal to 90 degrees. So this implies angle PQU is equal to 90 degrees minus 50 degrees, that is equal to 40 degrees. So this is the angle which we had to find in this question, and this comes out as 40 degrees. This is our answer.